All right, there we are getting the first official word coming in from AIIMS. Dr. D.K. Sharma, the medical superintendent of AIIMS, telling us about the condition of the 5-year-old girl, saying that she is stable and conscious. Yes, she was operated upon last night, and in fact, the health minister, Union Health Minister Ghulam Nabi Azad, also visited the girl yesterday. Let's listen in to the outrage that we've seen on the streets today.
You know, I don't think anything has changed unless we will have a strong political will from the government of India and also from the Delhi government. Nothing is going to change, because you can see the mindset of police. They think it is within their right to hit a girl. Do you think this is something acceptable? This is not acceptable. We will not tolerate this kind of injustice. People who come to fight injustice are the people who have been brutalized. Why don't they direct their attention to the people who are brutalizing 5-year-old girl? And I want also to caution the people who make all kinds of irresponsible statement about women, that what they wear, the way they are, that is why they have been attacked. What about 5-year-old little daughter, little girl, baby? I mean, don't they think that this is now becoming beyond the tolerable limit for society? I don't think police officer who has slapped a girl, suspension is not enough. There has to be an FIR against him. We will not tolerate this.
As a women's rights activist, what are your demands now? Similar demands, but what would you want immediately?
You see, the person has been arrested. We want immediate justice. We want people to be punished. We want the new law to be effective. We want the police to be totally sensitive towards people, and also police must be punished for the manhandling of the women the way they have done it.
All right, I'm standing outside the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. This is, of course, gate number 2 of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. From the team up of the police, we are in fact expecting that there could in fact be some sort of a VIP movement here. The latest that we are hearing is that possibly the Congress President Sonia Gandhi is expected to pay a visit here at the AIIMS to see the victim, in fact, of this brutal rape that took place, that in fact came to light yesterday. Of course, the 5-year-old girl is recuperating. She is expected to meet the family members. The Health Minister Ghulam Nabi Azad is also expected to be inside. Now, the time around which the Congress President is expected is somewhere close to 1. However, we are in fact standing by at the various gates just to see which gate does she take, and also what really is the message that she wants to give out, because clearly the Congress party which she heads, which is of course in power both in the state of Delhi as well as in the country, has been in the eye of the storm. Number one, for the incident that took place 4 months back of Nirbhaya, and now 4 months later the questions that are in fact being raised, and very legitimately so, is the fact that no lessons have been learnt. All right, we are joined in by Aditya Raj Kaul from the other side. The All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Aditya, what really is expected down there? I believe there are a couple of protesters as well as a health bulletin could in fact be on its way.
Right, Sanket, you're not exactly audible to me, but what I can tell you at the moment is that the medical bulletin by the All India Institute of Medical Sciences has come out almost after 18 hours of the girl's admission here at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. I can actually tell you that a team comprising of 8 doctors has been constituted by the All India Institute of Medical Sciences director. There would be pediatric surgery, pediatric medicine, gynecology, anesthesia, urology, forensic medicine and hospital administration. There are 8 key doctors from the AIIMS administration who are closely monitoring the case. But at the same time, while the doctors, D.K. Sharma, Medical Superintendent of AIIMS, has confirmed to Times Now that the girl is stable, alert and conscious, he has maintained here, I repeat, he has maintained that the girl would need definitive corrective surgery, and it would need detailed planning. The corrective surgery, the definitive corrective surgery would need detailed planning. I would here reiterate that actually this happened after yesterday, considerable protest, considerable pressure from the media, and finally the girl was shifted to AIIMS. It actually raises serious questions about the preparedness of the Delhi police, preparedness of the medical administration, why the girl in such serious condition was actually taken to the MCD's Swami Dayanand Hospital in East Delhi, and why she was not brought to a better medical facility, which is here AIIMS. The press release by the medical bulletin, medical superintendent here also mentions that the health minister Ghulam Nabi Azad visited the AIIMS premises at around 11 a.m. this morning. He has assured full support, full cooperation from the side of the union government, also appreciating the efforts of the AIIMS administration in treating the child. The girl child, the minor child, is here at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences on the 5th floor of this very main building. At the same time, let me tell you, the protesters have not ended their protest. The protests continue here just outside the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. The protest had began yesterday morning, the protesters demanding death penalty for the accused. At the same time, protesters not happy with the investigation of the Delhi police, which actually led to the suspension of the ACP Alawat of the Delhi police and SHO along with another officer pending inquiry. At the same time, we also have reports that the main accused Manoj in this case is on his way to Delhi, would be reaching any time in the afternoon. He'd be leaving Patna at around 2:30 p.m. Back to you in the studio.
All right, Aditya, do stay on with us. In the meantime, let's quickly listen into the DCP of the East District when he gave us more details about this gruesome incident.
कल